Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I got something amazing for you when it comes to lemons. Oh, they smell delicious. Now you may have seen this little trick here with vinegar. It's not my favorite. I prefer the lemons. One, because lemons smell so fresh, and two, you can ensure that the lemon is doing what it needs to up here. What am I talking about? You may be saying to yourself, Andrea Jean, mineral deposits accumulate on here, making it harder for the water to come out and for this to run more smoothly. Also, if you have a lot of gunk up in here and you're washing your face with this water and you put it on your hands, it's not good. So when you clean the end of your faucet with a lemon and let it sit there, allow the acidity of the lemon to do its job, whatever's coming out of here is going to be much better for you and your health. Look at this right here. It's like the perfect connection. So let me show you how to attach it. Voila, I think this is the best way to do it to ensure that there's contact between the acidity of the lemon and the end of your faucet right here. Just made a little carrier for it and used a clothespin to tie it off. Now, what I would do is let this sit overnight and allow it to work its magic, cleaning while you sleep, which is one of my favorite things. Less scrubbing, less work for both you and me. Yes, if you were trying this, let us know in that comments box below. I would love to hear, and how else you use lemons in your home. What's even better about this, if you do not want to waste your lemon, two ways that I want you to use this. Once you come back the next morning and everything's cleared out, you can actually use this lemon to clean the inside of your sink. Just squeeze a little bit of that juice out and it will smell fresh, like someplace you never want to leave, like lemonade in your sink. And then what you want to do with this is put this in your garbage disposal. The citrus from the peel is going to make your garbage disposal smell delicious, and the drain as well. Now, if you're looking for some awesome and clever clothespin hacks, this one obviously is pretty lame. It's quite functional, but I have some awesome ones here for you. Click the video on screen now, give this video a thumbs up, sign up for the weekly newsletter, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.